So today's home workout is a 7-minute indoor walk and then a 4-minute ab toning workout. And as your qualified trainer, Lucy Wyndham-Read, I've been doing this for years and I know how to get you the best results. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a little bit of fun with the first part of the workout, the 7-minute walking one. What I want you to do is simply get 4 bits of paper and on them write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then place them around your room. The further away you have them from each other just means that when we're doing our walking exercises, I might say to you, walk to card number 4, then walk to card number 3. It just means you have to up that intensity. So it's a fun little game. If you don't want to do the cards, you don't have to. And also go and grab some water so you can hit the pause button. Move number 1, we're going to do slightly as a warm up. So when you're ready, I'm ready as your online trainer to start training you right now. Okay, so we've got the cards down on the floor. My timer is set. Let's put this one here and let's get ready. So we're going to start with 1 minute where we're just going to start marching. Now this is going to be part of our warm up as well. So what I want you to do, always land as softly as you can with your feet. And also let's focus on good posture. Let's have your shoulders pulled back, those abdominals tight. All right, that's good. And so just for the first minute, we're going to do this as a warm up. The second one, we're going to travel to those different cards. Now, what I want you to do now while you're walking is we're just going to open up through the arms. Just add that in. So we're just working through the chest, open up the posture, just keep marching on the spot. So this 7 minutes, we do approximately about 1,000 steps. That's good. And now I want you to just push your arms in front. So let's just really work through the upper body. That's good. And each minute I'm going to vary the step with you. So this workout is going to fly by. Just open up through those arms for me and just push those arms in front. All right, so that is our first minute done. Second minute now, this is what I want you to do. 2 side steps and a knee lift. Side step, knee. All right, and then keep that going. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a number. Now I want you to travel this to card number 4 for me. So just walk, give me 1, 2 and a knee lift. 1, 2 and a knee lift. Keep that going. Now travel it to card number 2. That's good. Keeping that going. Doing well. All right, that's it. Keeping that going. We've got less than 20 seconds to go. So it's 2 side steps and a knee lift. Now travel that to card number 1 for me. Keeping that going. All right, well done. So this is just about moving. What's so important is we keep moving our bodies. All right, that's good. And now bring it back to the center. So for this one now, let me just show you. We're going to do a walk with a little tap back. All right, so you can see that. Just tapping that foot back and then add a little twist. All right, so we're going to get ready to do this one for 60 seconds. So it's a tap, little tap back and that twist. Now travel that in the room. Now take that to where you've got card number 2. Twist that and twist. So it's a little tap back and a twist, tap back and a twist. And now travel that over to card number 1 for me. So it's a little twist and tap, twist and tap. That's good. Keeping that going. And travel it now to card 3. So the further away you've got the cards, the quicker you've got to travel to them. And now take it straight to card 4 for me. Now obviously my room is a little bit small here and I'm here teaching you. So that's good. Now take that over to card 1 for me. That's good, nearly done on this one. Then we're going to change that step to a punching walk. That's good. And let's just keep going. All right, so this time now, punching walk for me. So we're going to punch the arms and just kick that leg in front. So keep that upper body nice and straight for me. Punch it out. Now walk that to card number 3. So wherever you've got card number 3 in the room, walk that there. Then take it back to the center for me. Now walk it to card number 2. Punch those arms. Keep that upper body nice and straight. That's good. Doing really well. And now take it to card number 1. That's it. And punch. Now travel it over to card number 4 for me. Doing well. So keep those tummy muscles pulled in tight as you kick that leg in front. Take it to card number 2. That's good. Well done. And then bring it back to the center for me. Center of the room. Keep that going. We've just got a few more seconds. Punch those arms in front. Then we're going to change that walking style. This time we're going to do a double knee lift. Double knee lift. Double knee lift. All right, so let's get started. 3, 2, 1. Take it double knee lift. Travel it 1 and 2. So it really gets you thinking about coordination and motor skills. So what this is also really good for is our mental fitness, you know, our mind and body connection. So if you can, right, while you're doing this, travel it across the room and take it to card number 4 for me, all right? And then travel it back to card number 3. Alternatively, you can just stay with me on the spot, keeping that going. Okay, that's good. Doing really well. And so it's double knee, double knee. Well done. And again, land softly. Keep thinking of that posture. Whatever card you're on now, take it back to the center for me. Double knee, double knee, double knee. My timing's all out. 1. Okay, so for the next step, this one, starting in the middle of the room, cross your arms over your chest, and we're just going to do a zigzag step. All right, so let's get ready. 60 seconds. So just travel that across. Now stay slightly low, tummy muscles pulled in, and travel that over. Now travel it to card number 4 for me. And now travel it over to wherever you have got card number 3. So just keeping that going. Now what you can do here, if you want to, is now add in an arm cross. All right, so travel that now to card number 2. If you find it too much, thinking of what card I'm doing the arms, you can just keep the arms crossed on your chest. Now travel it over to card number 3. Keeping that going. Set. If you want to add in the arms, then do. Travel it over to card number 1 for me. That's it. Doing well. So we're just doing that zigzag step, and now take it over to card number 4. And now just bring that back into the center for me. Okay, so we're going to get ready for the last move. So for this one, let me just quickly show you. You march on the spot. What we're going to do, we're going to do a side tap, side step, then a tiny little jump, all right? Side step, little jump. Now, if you don't want to do the jump, then do the side tap, stand up. And so just come straight up to full standing, all right? So let's get ready and let's do this last minute now. And so side tap, jump, and just travel it around the room. Now do that and take that to wherever you've got card number 4 for me. All right, and add that little jump. So what we're doing, by doing this little jump, or if you're alternatively just doing that step, we're really helping to keep your bones strong, because we're creating a chemical reaction known as piezo, which strengthens through your bones. Take it now, travel it to card number 3 for me. All right, so we're doing that tap and a little jump. Now, if you want to speed it up, go faster. Take it to card number 4 for me. Keeping that going, add that jump. Remember, if you don't want to do the jump, just stand up. Full standing, so it's a tap to full standing. Take it to card number 2. That's good. Travel over and back. And we're just going to go for a few more because this is the last little bit. Let's just now travel that to card 1 and now bring it back into the center for me and just march it out on the spot. Take it to nice big shoulder rolls, deep breath in and deep breath out. Just tap that foot in front. So what we're going to do now, I'm now going to do a 4-minute workout, working your abdominals and your waist. A little break so you can march on the spot, grab some water, get your breath back for then part 2 of your workout with me at home today. So for this part of the workout, part 2, I'm now going to be working on your abdominals, working your core and your waist. All these 4 moves we're going to do standing up. Let me just quickly show you the routine. So move 1 is simply where we're going to be doing a standing knee crunch. If you struggle a bit with balance, you can always have a chair there, just have your hand on the chair. So a second move, we're going to simply then do 10 punches and then 4 knee lifts, all right? Then move number 3, we are going to do a straight leg kick. Then from there, we go 4 bends either side. We're doing each one for 60 seconds. And then the last one is, we're imagining we've got a glass table and we're going to polish it one way and then polish it back the other way. All right, so it's a fun workout. So we're going to get straight into it. So let's come into position. You're going to be in a slight split stance. Tummy is tight and we're just going to draw that knee up. All right, so let's get ready. Let's go 3, 2 and 1. So that knee comes up and take it back. And what I really want you to do, keep those tummy muscles pulled in tight as you're doing that. So you're driving that knee up and then you take it back and really keep those tummy muscles pulled in tight. What we're going to do after 30 seconds, we're going to change to the opposite leg. So drive that knee up and back. So this is really amazing for working through those core muscles. Drive it up and back. As I said, if you find it hard for balance, you can have one hand on a chair. Take that to the other leg for me now. And now let's just drive it up. Drive it up. Really powerful. And this is where standing abdominal exercises are way more effective than ones coming down on the floor. So many people struggle with their back and their neck with abdominal exercises on the ground, whereas this way you're working more, plus you're burning calories at the same time. All right, that's good. Give me another 5 seconds, driving that knee up. Tummy stays tight. Okay, that's move 1 done. Okay, so for move number 2, remember this one. We're doing 10 punches, then 4 knee lifts. So let's come into position, knees slightly bent, tummy is tight, and let's get ready to really punch it from one side to the other. And punch 10, go 9, go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Give me 4 knee lifts. 3, 2 and 1. Take it straight back. 10 punches. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 4 knee lifts for me. 4, go 3, 2 and 1. And take it 10 punches. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 4 knee lifts. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Doing well. Really punch that across. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Give me 4 knee lifts. 3, 2 and 1. 10 more punches. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And give me 4, 3, 2 and 1. Let's finish off. 10 fast punches. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. We are done on that one. Okay, so for move number 3, it's a really nice one. We're going to do 4 straight leg kicks. Then from there, we're going to hold it and go 4 from one side to the other. All right, so let's get ready. Take a deep breath in. Remember, if you ever want to have a little breather, you can always hit pause, because I'll just stand there and wait till you're ready. So let's come into position. Shoulders pull back, tummy tight. Let's go 3, 2 and 1. Now take it 1. Let's go 2 and 3 and 4. Now here, bend it 4. Let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. And now take that 1. Let's go 2, go 3 and 4. And then 1. Take it 2, 3, 4. That's good. And straight leg 1. Let's go 2. Take it 3 and 4. Keeping that going. 1. And let's go 2, 3 and 4. So I'm really shaping and sculpting into your waist on here. We're getting your core really strong. 4, let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. Give me those straight legs. 4, let's go 3, take it 2 and 1 and side. 1, let's go 2, take it 3 and 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4 to this side. 1 and reach it over. 2, let's go 3 and 4, and we are done on that one. So are you ready for move number 4, final one? So what I want you to do with this, come into a split stance. You've got your knees are bent, tummy is pulled in. Now imagine right here in front of you, you've got a glass table. We've got a duster. We're going to dust it. We're going to sweep it from one side to the other. All right, so let's get ready. 3, 2, and 1. So sweep it across. But what I want you to do is I want you to keep your hips perfectly still. So it's just your upper body that is rotating. And that activation is coming from your internal and external obliques. Now these are the muscles that are going to really shake through your waist. All right, that's good. Let's keep that going. So this is a really fun workout. You could do this twice in the day because it's going to help get your step count up with the first part, because you do 1,000 steps, then you do 4 minutes of toning through those abs. So, or you could repeat it and do it a second time round. So then you're doing it twice all at once. All right, that's good. And don't forget, I've got more of these series. I've got one that does 4-minute arms, so it's a slightly different walking workout. All right, that's good. Keeping that going for me. Reach that round, and let's just go for a few more. So we've really made that table that we're polishing, our invisible glass table, we've made it sparkle. And let's just finish off. So well done. Let's just shake that out. That is the workout complete. Now, as we always do, here is your high five. But let's just do a quick little cool down. Just tap that foot in front. So what we've done today, we have increased your heart health, your energy health. You have invested in your future health. And as your online trainer, Lucy Wyndham-Read, I'm here to just get you healthy and fit at home for free. If you like these 7-minute ones, then I have got one which went up last week, which is all about toning your arms. So you finish with a 4-minute arm toning one. So if you're not already, do come and find me on social media, on Instagram, Facebook. Like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button. And if you're ready now, let's head over up here to this link and we'll go and do a cool down stretch right now.